Are you tired of looking for woodworking plans and finding incomplete projects that are more of a hindrance than a help? Do you want to take your woodworking skills to the next level and create professional-grade projects with ease? Well, you're in luck because we have the solution for you. With Ted's Woodworking, you will have access to more than 16,000 woodworking plans with extremely detailed step-by-step, so that even a beginner with basic tools and a small workshop can develop his projects. You will receive from simple chair and table designs for your family lunches to more elaborate retractable object designs. Save time, money, and energy with Ted's Woodworking. Receive a special payment condition and several bonuses by clicking now on the link below. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start creating amazing objects today, saving time, effort, and money.